Thank you.
In this video, we're going to see Colleen and her best friend Kelly bowling.
That's right.
Would you mind telling us why it was so important to get that footage?
Well, I wanted to show Colleen with her best friend because, number one, when she grew up and she was went to special education classes, and then in high school was actually put into regular high school and mainstreamed right into regular classes, which was very difficult for her. She never, through school, developed friendships, and then she went into a sheltered workshop after that, and again, never developed friendships. And part of that could have been because of our big family. There was so much action all the time that, you know, we kind of had our own friendships in our family and did things together. Probably it's been in the last, I don't know, 5-7 years, something like that, in that range, that she's developed this strong friendship with her best friend Kelly.
Yeah.
And that started, they worked together, and then they also were in bowling league together through special recreations program. And then I kind of reached out to her family and vice versa, and so then we started getting the girls together outside of work, outside of bowling. And then Colleen also asked Kelly to start going to camp with her. So now they do camp together, and they are almost inseparable at work. They lunch every day together, and that special friendship, just like with anybody, is something both of them cherish. They talk about it all the time. When one isn't there, they're worried about it. I was just at Colleen's work, and Kelly had missed the day before, and they were telling me how they threw their arms around each other when they saw each other in the morning. Sometimes you get so wrapped up in trying to help them with so many things, you kind of forget how important friendship is. And that has been, as you know, Colleen's going to be 54.
Yeah, that's right.
That's been an interesting development later on, and I think if that can be prompted and nurtured younger, I think especially for their mental well-being, it would be very advantageous, you know, for them, because it's really been and continues to be a special relationship she and Kelly have, right?
Right.
Has the friendship changed in the last few years since Colleen's diagnosis?
I don't think it's changed. They're so accepting of each other. You know, it's kind of, it is a little bit love-hate relationship. They kind of, you know, just like any friendship, get on each other's nerves. You know, I'll give you an example. Sometimes Colleen she wears hearing aids all the time, but sometimes they will buzz if it's kind of half out of her ear, and just that irritates Kelly to hear that buzzing. And so Kelly will tell Colleen, fix your hearing aid, you know, and then Colleen will fix her hearing aid, right?
Right.
But Kelly doesn't like to hear him buzz. But they kind of banter back and forth too, which is really, really fun to watch. And then at other times, they can sit there and never say a word to each other. And I think just their presence with each other is enough. I remember when it's one of the first times that we kind of started doing a little out to eat sometimes before bowling. And I took them, of course, to McDonald's. That's where they wanted to go. And I didn't quite know what to expect, and they sat there and didn't really talk to each other, just ate dinner. And we going out to the car, we get in the car, and they both we've had the best time.
We laughed when we were filming at the bowling alley because at first Colleen and Kelly were kind of quiet.
Yes.
Do you mind telling us what bowling's normally like?
Well, they were so cognizant of the videoing going on, and that was a funny thing to notice. And so normally what we would be doing, they would be doing as soon as somebody has a spare or strike at bowling.
That's right, my coach.
You're doing a high five, right?
Yeah.
You do a high five and come around.
That's right.
Yeah, who's sitting next to you?
Me, Kelly.
Kelly?
Her.
And is Kelly your sister?
No.
Is
My
Kelly?
friend.
You guys are friends.
Yeah. Yeah, you said
She's my best friend.
Best friends?
Yeah. But you hit me for.
So who's gonna win today in bowling?
I am.
You are? Colleen, what do you think about that?
Who's gonna win today?
Me,
Which
Kelly.
one? Who's gonna win?
Me.
Everyone wins, right?
Every good man bowling, yeah. She does. Not together. Me together. Stay up there. Yeah, sticking out. I think you got it. Got a long now.
Get it? Do you think she can get it?
I don't know. I was at a microphone. I got it.
Okay.
You got it. Look at that.
Almost.
Okay.
Almost.
Nice throw, buddy. Yep, you got it. Yeah.
You can go down there and see if you want to. Got it. What do you say to Kelly?
That's good. Thank you, buddy. I got a spare. I like it, boy.
So what color are your bowling balls?
My tie-dye. My blue.
Yours is blue?
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, are you guys ready to bowl some more?
Yeah, it's okay with you.
All right, go for it.
All right.